Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Now I'm sitting in my H3 Hummer and I've just serviced the car and I've actually just given the inside a bit of a clean as well. So it's fully serviced and we've got this problem. Okay, so we've got the change oil flashing. We get our button here and we keep pressing this button. Oil life. Reset. I think it was about the third press that came up. Now we press and hold this button. I think it's for about 10 seconds. Normally there's a double beep at the end of it, but the chime is turned off in my car. After 10 seconds, turn off your ignition and then start the car. There you go, it's gone. No more change oil flashing up in your display, so it's that easy. Now if you found this video useful at all, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.